Today is the Duval County Christmas bird count, December 27th. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm here at Heritage River Road Wetlands. Rules are simple. Find as many bird species as possible and count them all. Birds are coming in. That's the hooded mercanser. And there's the other one. Took off. Wow, it's a beautiful morning. Here comes the osprey. He's hovering for the first morning meal. So today I'm gonna spend most of the day here. The main area is right here at Heritage River Road Wetlands. It's stretching all the way to Fort George Island, and the other end is behind 295. That's the first great egret just landed. Looking good. There are 3 hooded mercansers. And there's some ibises and there's no egrets. Look how they're using their feet to find their food. Woodstock is so prehistoric looking. It looks like from the dinosaurs era. Looks like they're done with the breakfast, or maybe they haven't started yet. Oh yeah, you're still sleepy. Since I have plenty of time, I don't need to drive, I can walk. Bald eagle just landed on top of the post. Bald eagle. This is the spot where I usually park. That's the swamp. Swamp sparrow. There's the palm warbler. Look at this big flock of shorebirds. Wow. Okay, let's take a closer look. There's a bunch of dunlins, semis, western sandpipers, black-bellied plovers, all kinds of stuff. It's so cold. This morning was 31. Now it's starting to warm up. There's that red-breasted mercanser. Actually 2 of them. Oh, there are lots of pelicans, lots of white pelicans. Let's try to count. I'm now at Scissors Creek boat ramp area, and see what I can find here. It's actually pretty here.
Not many of those. I should go to Merit today. Can I have a bunch of plovers and I couldn't shoot? They come right to me and start
really?
picking on my shoes. Pulling shoestrings. Well,
Wow.
you on a Christmas bird count?
Yes,
That's
Christmas
your-
bird count. This is my area, so I'm going back and
okay.
forth.
You from Jack's?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good luck, man.
You too. So this guy is just birding. So I'm gonna go check out the areas. And I need to go and check out the park underneath of the bridge. I don't know how it's called. Yellow Bluff Park or something. Anyway, I'm gonna go check out that, and then I'm gonna go to the other side of 295, check out those ponds there by the gate. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna drive around and see what else I can find. What do we have here? I counted 17 Canada geese, one domestic and Canada mix up. Couple of pipe-billed grebes and 2 ringneck ducks. See these 2? Look, this is the hybrid domestic goose and Canada goose. Mix up. He's a little bigger than the Canada geese. Pretty funny how he holds his legs or his feet. Oh, he's just using every once in a while. Look at push. Oh, push. And now other one. Oh, push. Pretty cool. Three, 4 years ago, golden eye showed up here. One day he was dead. That's what happens to rare birds. They're out of their natural habitat territory, so they die out. That's the place where I almost never come. Kind of off-road. You have to drive. Oh, that's the red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawk just called. Do you hear that? Okay, let me see if I can find it. You know what? It was a blue jay. Blue jays can imitate all kinds of birds. It was perfect, the red-tailed hawk's call, but then I looked up, I saw the blue jay. So, hey, I'm not used to come here. I should visit this place more often. That's an interesting view to the bridge. That's pretty cool. So now I'm by the river. There are a bunch of birds here. I'm going to check them out and count them all. White pelicans. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm at the moment Jim King's boat ramp. Picked up a couple of more birds. Northern Harrier. That was a good one. Chickadee. And of course mostly yellow rumps. What else we have? Let's see. They're responding really well for fishing. That's funny. That's another immature eagle. Not sure if this is one of those what I already saw. Maybe. That's the Sisters Creek where I was birding in the morning, and I'm heading to the other side. I'm at the beginning of Heritage River Road. That's the wooded section, so trying to find something else than yellow rumps, but I heard chickadees. That's all. I'm done with counting. I'm gonna head back home now. Yep, that was the Christmas bird count 2020 at the Heritage Road. See you in the next video. Can't leave my camera behind.